Hi, my name is Reeman and I am one of the academics in Sheffield University Management School. I teach finance and economics courses. In Sheffield University Management School, we are triple-accredited university, which means that your course is internationally recognized. At the same time, we are very much affiliated with industry. We have a strong connection with different industry partners, for example, Rolls-Royce, Boeing, and at the same time, our courses are evaluated regularly to keep up to date with industry standards and what our students need for their career development. Now, in Sheffield University, what we offer a number of courses, which is, for example, we have introduced from this year an MSc in Financial Innovation and Technology. We have MSc in Business Analytics. We have introduced as well MSc in Digital Marketing. These courses are just to keep up to date with the current developments which are happening in the industry. So with the Financial Innovation, Technology and Innovation course, let's say, what we have is you will learn coding, you will learn AI, as well as you will learn about Bloomberg. Let's say you will learn finance, but not only finance, you will learn coding and AI with that. We also have Bloomberg incorporated within our course. So you will learn, for example, portfolio investment and how to carry out your investment in stock market. In digital marketing, you will learn about marketing plus analytics as well. In business analytics, you will learn about Python, how to code, and this is a course that those who have not any experience in coding can also engage in this course as well. A lot of our courses are accredited by professional bodies. So for example, we are affiliated with CMI, CIM, CIMA, and many other professional bodies. This can help you to fast track your course and by getting exemptions from these professional bodies and to advance your career much faster. With regards to scholarship, we offer a scholarship of 3,000 to any PGT students that enroll in our courses. For our MBA courses, you have an opportunity to get a 50% scholarship based on your merit and experience in our MBA courses. We also have a special hall, which is the Allent Court. If you engage and you are able to accept our offer very quickly, you might be able to have another £5,000 scholarship with Allent Court. It is given to the first 300 students who register. We also have a course in MBA. In our MBA course, you have the opportunity to engage with many of industry experts. We have 40 plus guest speakers plus a lot of networking opportunities. Our MBA courses also allows you to take a trip to London and also in Germany. And this is all incorporated within your tuition fees. Now, with tuition fees, you have an opportunity to get a 50% scholarship for our MBA programs that reduces your tuition fees cost by half. At the same time, even if you don't get any scholarship of that 50%, you also have the opportunity to get a £3,000 scholarship in that case. This also applies to any of our other PGT programs as well, where you can get a £3,000 scholarship. Now this year, we also have a specialized scholarship for our hall accommodation as well. So in Allent Court, the first 300 students who accepts our offer and wants to stay in Allent Court, they have the opportunity to get £5,000 scholarship taken off from their living expenses in Allent Court. So this is a fabulous opportunity. So do apply early for our courses, accept them, and you can get this opportunity to reduce your living expenses in Allent Court. And I'm telling you, nothing will beat that. Now, next comes to what services we have to facilitate your career development and what are our job opportunities. So 92% of our students are able to get a job within the first 15 months after they have finished their courses. We have a dedicated team, especially we have an employability hub, which is not just at the university level, but Sheffield University Management School has an in-house employability hub. So that they can help you with your career development with CV writing, mock interview practices, and also networking opportunities, careers fair. So this will all go back into supporting your career development and so you can have a job. Now, what about placements and internships? Now, in our MBA program, you will have the opportunity to work with different actual companies. You will be engaged in challenges which you can do where you might be in a group of 4 or 5, or for instance, you will be working individually as part of a project with a company. Although this is not like a traditional internship or placement, but this gives you an actual opportunity to work with these companies, and who knows, maybe if you have done a fabulous job and if they like you, you might just get an offer from them. Now, with our bachelor's program, that's where you might be able to have a placement. You have a placement for 1 year, but in some courses you might also have a 1-year study abroad opportunity as well. In our MBA course, the tuition fees also incorporate a trip to London Career Safari Park, where you will be able to network with industry experts. It also incorporates a trip to Germany as well, and this is all covered by the university tuition fees. Now, next, coming to our scholarship, our MBA graduates, MBA students can receive a scholarship up to 50%. Sheffield is known as the second greenest city in Europe and the greenest city in the UK. It is home next to the Peak District and has excellent transport links to London, Manchester, Leeds, York. It is also one of the most affordable cities compared to London and Manchester. You can easily save 100 to 200 pounds per month living in Sheffield compared to living in London or Manchester. At the same time, Sheffield has excellent transport links which goes to London 2 hours, Manchester 1 to 1.5 hours, and other cities nearby like Leeds, York. Now, our graduates, they have a high employability rate. 92% of our graduates receive a job within the first 18 months after finishing and completing their course. In 2025, we were ranked number 1 according to NSS for student experience. So if you want to study in a top 100 university with high quality education, excellent industry network, you can apply for Sheffield University. It can be your home away from home. And to increase your chances of acceptance, get in touch with IDP. They can help you be the bridge between you and Sheffield University. Thank you so much for listening to me. Hope you have a great day.